cracked windshield? Discover how to repair it at home and ensure a safe journey on the road. Start by cleaning your windshield with a glass cleaner to remove any dirt or debris. Carefully apply windshield resin to the chipped area, following the manufacturer's instructions. Use a UV light to cure the resin. Make sure to expose it for the recommended time for effective hardening. After curing, remove any excess resin using a blade. Polish the surface for a smooth finish. Sounds too hard? Don't worry, we're here to help.